In 2025, it's estimated that over 9 million Americans are living abroad. That's a significant rise from just a few years ago, and the trend is only growing. With political tensions, rising costs of living, and the ever-growing desire for a better quality of life, more Americans are seeking refuge in countries that offer peace, stability, and opportunity. From affordable healthcare to beautiful landscapes, these countries are offering exactly what many are looking for. Stay tuned as we explore the top 10 countries where Americans are fleeing to. In 2025, you'll want to watch till the end to find out which country might be your next home. 1. Canada. It's no surprise that Canada leads the pack. With its proximity to the US and shared cultural roots, it's always been a top choice for Americans seeking something different but still familiar. The appeal? First, the healthcare system. Imagine not worrying about sky-high medical bills every time you get a checkup. That's the reality in Canada. With universal healthcare, you won't be dealing with insurance headaches. Add to that a stable economy, beautiful landscapes, and outdoor adventures all year round. Canada is the perfect place to escape the chaos and enjoy some peace. But what truly sets Canada apart is its work-life balance. Americans tired of the grind can find a more relaxed pace here. You can go hiking in the morning and still have time for a cozy evening with your family. 2. Mexico. Heading south, Mexico has become a go-to for Americans looking to stretch their dollar. The cost of living is incredibly affordable compared to US cities. You can live comfortably with a fraction of the expenses, especially when it comes to housing and food. Besides the financial benefits, the culture is rich, the food is delicious, and the weather perfect. From the beaches of Cancun to the colonial charm of San Miguel de Allende, there's something for everyone. The large expat communities in places like Lake Chapala and Playa del Carmen make it easier to settle in, providing a sense of familiarity in an unfamiliar place. And don't even get me started on the healthcare. Mexico offers high-quality, affordable medical services that attract many retirees, especially those looking to avoid expensive US healthcare. 3. Portugal. Portugal is gaining popularity among Americans in 2025. The country offers beautiful weather, a low cost of living, and policies that make it easy for expats to settle in. The Golden Visa program draws those looking to invest and gain residency. Whether it's the Algarve beaches or Lisbon's charming streets, Portugal has something for everyone. Portugal also boasts an accessible healthcare system at a low cost, making it an ideal destination for those looking to live well on a budget. With its relaxed lifestyle, rich culture, and great food, Portugal is the perfect European getaway. 4. Spain. In 2025, more Americans are choosing Spain for its laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle. With its sunny weather, rich culture, and world-class food, Spain offers a slower pace of life that's hard to beat. The non-lucrative visa is attracting retirees and remote workers, allowing them to live comfortably without needing to work locally. On top of that, Spain's affordable healthcare system offers high-quality care without the high price tag. With its welcoming atmosphere, beautiful landscapes, and vibrant social life, Spain is quickly becoming a top destination for Americans seeking a fresh start. 5. Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a hotspot for Americans in 2025. Thanks to its Pura Vida lifestyle, the country's peaceful vibe, stunning beaches, and lush rainforests make it a dream for nature lovers. The low cost of living, especially in housing and healthcare, is another major draw. Costa Rica's residency programs, like the Pensionado program, make it easier for retirees to move. With great healthcare at affordable prices and a laid-back way of life, it's no wonder so many Americans are calling Costa Rica their new home. 6. New Zealand. New Zealand, with its breathtaking landscapes and laid-back vibe, is attracting a growing number of Americans. The Active Investor Plus visa has made it easier for those willing to invest in the economy to secure residency. What's not to love? New Zealand offers outdoor adventures that are hard to find anywhere else, whether you're hiking through lush forests or enjoying stunning beaches. The healthcare system is excellent, and the overall quality of life is exceptional. New Zealand's population is small, which means a strong sense of community. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of life and reconnect with nature. If you're craving a peaceful, beautiful place to call home, New Zealand could be your answer. 7. Australia. Australia has always been a popular destination for Americans, and in 2025, it remains a top choice. The Skilled Migration Program offers opportunities for professionals across various sectors to make the move, while the country's stable economy and high quality of life are huge selling points. Australia offers a diverse range of experiences, from the bustling cities of Sydney and Melbourne to the laid-back vibes of places like Brisbane and the Gold Coast. The beaches are world-renowned, and the wildlife is unlike anything you'll find in the US. With excellent healthcare, a strong economy, and a great work-life balance, Australia is an ideal destination for those looking to start fresh. 8. Germany. Germany's strong economy, central location in Europe, and rich cultural history make it an appealing choice for many Americans. It's particularly attractive to those with professional backgrounds, as the job seeker visa allows you to move to Germany while searching for employment. Germany's healthcare system is top-notch, and the country is known for its strong infrastructure and excellent public transportation system. Living here means being part of a well-oiled machine. Everything runs efficiently, which gives you more time to enjoy the high quality of life Germany offers. From the charming streets of Berlin to the scenic beauty of the Bavarian Alps, Germany has much to offer, especially for those who appreciate history, art, and culture. 9. Thailand. Thailand is an underrated gem for Americans looking for affordable living without sacrificing quality of life. Known for its beautiful beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture, Thailand offers an amazing lifestyle at a fraction of the cost compared to the US. The cost of living is one of the biggest draws. Housing, food, and healthcare are incredibly affordable, and the country's healthcare system is highly regarded. You can live comfortably on a budget while enjoying a high standard of living. The welcoming locals, thriving expat communities, and stunning natural beauty make Thailand an attractive destination for Americans looking for a more laid-back lifestyle. 10. France. France has always been a dream destination for many, and in 2025, it continues to lure Americans with its romantic allure and rich culture. The long-stay visa allows retirees and financially self-sufficient individuals to move to France and live for an extended period. With world-class healthcare, a high standard of living, and a lifestyle centered around food, art, and culture, France offers a quality of life that is hard to beat. Imagine living in the French countryside, sipping coffee in quaint cafes, and exploring historic villages on the weekends. France has it all: history, culture, amazing food, and beautiful landscapes. It's no wonder Americans continue to flock to this European haven. As we've seen, the reasons behind Americans fleeing to these 10 countries in 2025 are as diverse as the countries themselves. Whether it's seeking a better quality of life, escaping political instability, or just wanting a fresh start, these destinations offer opportunities for those ready to embark on a new chapter. Are you considering making the move? Maybe one of these countries caught your eye. If you're ready to take the leap, make sure to research thoroughly and find the perfect fit for your goals and lifestyle. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts. Where would you move if you could? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. And remember to press the bell icon so you never miss a new video.